Have you noticed that your brain just does not feel as sharp as it used to? A few years ago, you could learn new things quickly, remember details effortlessly, and stay focused for hours. But lately, you feel mentally sluggish. You reread the exact same sentences, forget why you walked into a room, and complex tasks feel overwhelmingly exhausting. You probably tell yourself this is just a normal part of getting older, or that you are simply burned out from daily stress. But here is the biological truth nobody tells you. Your brain is not just aging, it is actively shrinking. Because you repeat the exact same routines every single day, your brain has stopped producing BDNF, a crucial protein required for neurogenesis, which is the physical creation of new brain cells. Today, we are going to fix that. I am going to reveal the secret to a 3-minute habit that forces your nervous system to wake up. It is a surprisingly simple physical movement that commands your brain to grow new neural pathways instantly, so you can literally upgrade your mental hardware and get your sharp, fast-thinking brain back. Most people believe that once you reach a certain age, your brain just stops developing. You think, I am just not as sharp as I used to be, or I cannot learn new skills like a kid anymore. But here is the massive paradigm shift. Neuroscience has completely debunked this myth. Your brain is not a fixed asset. It is highly adaptable. This is called neuroplasticity. And more importantly, your brain has the ability to physically grow brand new neurons throughout your entire life, a process called neurogenesis, specifically in the hippocampus, the area responsible for learning and memory. You are not losing your edge because of your age. You are losing it because you stopped giving your brain the right signals to grow. So, why does your brain feel so slow and foggy lately? It is because of a silent trap called extreme routine. Think about your day. You wake up at the exact same time, take the same route to work, do the same repetitive tasks, and scroll the same apps. When your brain predicts exactly what is going to happen next, it goes into autopilot. It switches to low power mode to conserve energy. And in biology, there is a strict rule: use it or lose it. If you are not constantly challenging your brain with novel, complex stimuli, it literally starts pruning away neural connections. Your brain is shrinking not because it is tired, but because it is bored to death. To reverse this shrinkage, you need a specific biological trigger. You need to tell your nervous system that it is time to build new hardware. This is where a powerful protein comes in, called BDNF, or Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor. Neuroscientists often call BDNF miracle grow for the brain. When BDNF levels are high, your brain is like a sponge. It learns faster, remembers more, and repairs damaged pathways. When BDNF is low, you get brain fog, memory lapses, and a terrible attention span. The secret to an upgraded brain is forcing your body to release a massive surge of BDNF on command, naturally. You do not need expensive supplements or hours of meditation to do this. You just need a 3-minute physical habit that involves a specific type of movement. It is called crossing the midline. Imagine an invisible vertical line running right down the center of your body. Your left brain controls the right side of your body, and your right brain controls the left. When you cross your arms or legs over that invisible center line, you are forcing the two hemispheres of your brain to communicate rapidly across a neural bridge called the corpus callosum. This intense cross-hemisphere communication is highly unusual for your autopilot brain. It jolts your nervous system, spikes your heart rate just enough, and triggers an immediate, massive release of BDNF. Here is exactly how you do this 3-minute upgrade habit. Tomorrow morning, or right when you hit that terrible 2 p.m. afternoon slump, stand up. For 1 minute, do cross-body punches. Punch your right hand across your body to the left, then your left hand to the right. For the second minute, do cross-body knee taps. Lift your right knee and tap it with your left hand, then switch. For the final minute, do windmill stretches. Touch your right hand to your left foot, and vice versa. That is it. 3 minutes of deliberate cross-body movement. It sounds almost too simple, but the neurological impact is huge. You are not just exercising, you are manually waking up your entire central nervous system. Within seconds of finishing this 3-minute routine, you will feel a dramatic shift. The mental fog will lift. Your focus will sharpen. Your eyes will actually feel wider and more alert. You just overrode your brain's low-power mode and flooded it with the exact protein it needs to build new connections. If you do this daily, you are consistently laying down new neural pathways. You will process information faster, stop forgetting simple words, and finally feel like you are back in control of your own intelligence. You are proving to your biology that your brain is ready to grow again. To recap, your brain is not permanently slowing down. It is just waiting for the right signal. Tomorrow, give it exactly what it needs. Spend just 3 minutes doing cross-body punches, knee taps, and windmill stretches. You will physically force your left and right brain hemispheres to communicate, trigger a massive release of BDNF, and literally start growing new neural pathways. You are in complete control of your own cognitive sharpness. Stop accepting brain fog as your normal. So, let me ask you, will you try this 3-minute brain upgrade tomorrow morning, or save it for your 2 p.m. afternoon slump? Drop a comment below and let me know your plan. If this video helped you understand your own mind a little better, hit that subscribe button and like the video. I will see you in the next one.